What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How's everybody making out today? It is Tuesday, just turned 8 a.m., and I think I have the perfect pocket knife. I think I finally landed the perfect pocket knife after all these years. This knife that I'm about to show you is a GEC. It's a GEC piece of cutlery. And when you see this piece, it's just amazing. Completely amazing. Without no further ado, let's show you this piece. This is the Blade Forums GEC Stockman. It's numbered 175, you can see right there. This piece of cutlery has just blown my mind. Without you people holding this or feeling it or touching it, the size of it, it's a bigger piece. It's on the bigger side. It's closer to like a 75 pattern case, I would say. You've got this beautiful corset shield here. Amber jig bone covers. 1095 carbon steel. Serpentine body. And you can tell by just looking at this piece, it has got to be one of the most perfect pieces of cutlery that is out there right now. I am a firm believer that there is, I don't think right now that there is a piece of cutlery that could match this one. I think they've overdone it. I think they really hit this one way out of the park. It is just an absolute phenomenal piece of cutlery. Let's take a look at it. It's going to take me a second to get these blades open. I just woke up about 5 minutes ago, guys. There it is in its open configuration. That gives you a good look at what we're talking about here with this piece. You can see right there it says Blade Forums. It's got your number there. Great Eastern Cutlery, Titusville, PA. Guys, honestly, not for nothing. These types of knives these types of knives do not come around every day. These are special. These are special knives right here, guys. This is one. This is absolutely one special piece for my collection. I have never had a knife of this magnitude. There is no knife that I could think of. I thought and thought and thought after all these years. Do I have anything close to this piece of cutlery? And I do not. I thought and thought, but I don't have anything that could touch this knife. It may look like just an ordinary stockman, but there's way more to this piece than you're seeing. It's just, I mean, the jigging, the way they jigged it, excuse me, the way they jigged this piece, I mean, it just looks absolutely fantastic. The looks department, I mean, everything about this piece. I mean, the blade, the size of this is the perfect. Guys, the size is just, I guess it will be close to a 75 pattern. I'm thinking close to it from case. But just take a look at that blade. Look at that clip blade. And it's a blade forums piece. That makes it even more special. Look at the fit and finish on them back springs. Look at that. Flawless. Everything on this knife is just flawless. This is almost I would give this a 10. I would give this a 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10 knife. I'm saying it. This is a 10 out of 10. It's got to be. It's got to be a 10 out of 10. Guys, there's really nothing you can fault it for. There's nothing you could say. I mean, I'm just showing it to you. That's all I could do. I mean, I'm just giving you a look at it. It is just a magnificent piece of cutlery. It feels so good in the hand. It just feels so good. It feels good. It's crazy. It is crazy. Guys, this is just the first impressions. I just wanted to show this. I just really wanted to get it out there and show it. Get a couple pictures of this on Instagram. And just really get this piece out there and show it. It needs to, I mean, it really needs to be seen, right? Why not? Let me know what you guys think of this piece here, please. I'm real curious on your input. You guys be good, man. Be well, be safe. Please. Let me know what you think of this piece. Drop me a comment if all possible. Let me know what you think. You take care now. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.